be here giving a little update on Turkish towels. Just climbed out of the lake, Priest Lake here, using my cotton marker towel. Dried me off nice, and bonus, I used it to wrap around me when I was changing. Perfect, it's already dry and beautiful. Turkish towels. I am a huge fan and I tout them whenever I can. They're especially great for travel, but I'm not doing a whole lot of travel now thanks to COVID. But what I am doing is a lot of exploring on the weekends, and a Turkish towel is still one of the best things that you can throw into that weekender bag before you hit the road. To do a very basic recap on why I love Turkish towels so much. They are lightweight, they dry fast, they are super absorbent, and they pack up really small. The trick is to find one that is high quality. There are so many options out there, and I have bought in foreign countries and I have bought on Amazon. This latest is one from a company called Cotton Marca. They did send me this towel to try out, and I can say it's great. I like what the company stands for. They work a lot with the small villages in Turkey. They have unique designs, which they make in small batches. So the quality is top notch. This design here that I have is called the Angora Green, but options abound on their website. I will put a link below. You can go check it out. Mostly what I'm impressed with is the quality. Also, the cost is very reasonable. They're around $35, I believe, which is a good price for a Turkish towel, a quality Turkish towel. Exploring my home state of Idaho all these weekends, there was a lot of lake time. A lot. It's always nice to have a towel handy so to dry off, but also to change my swimsuit. And of course, they're just handy if you need a scarf or a shawl, just need to stay a little bit warm. Perfect. And again, packs up really small. Right? Compare that to a beach towel. This here is the bag that I took on most of my weekend adventures. This little guy, super lightweight, rolled up, takes up hardly any room in my weekend bag. So yes, I am still a big fan of Turkish towels. Even though I'm not doing much traveling, they're great for weekend getaways. Highly recommend them. This brand in particular is very high quality. If you visit your website, you will notice that they have other items, although they do focus on the towels. Items like this skirt that go over your swimsuit and look cute. If you have any questions about a Turkish towel, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like I said, I'm a big fan, and if you have any tips for travel, please share them. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend adventures.